Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Motra AI workout fitness coach subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, like, you can cancel your subscription where you have originally purchased your subscription. Okay, so first method is for iPhone users. So first of all you need to open your iPhone settings, and then you need to select on your Apple ID, then you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your app, like Motra and AI workout app. And once you select your app, and then you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, and if you've taken your subscription by using their you can like Android app, then you need to open your Play Store and then you need to select your subscription and like payments and subscription. Now you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your app and you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription with Motra AI workout. Okay, now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.